Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the EOVOLA accessories kit for the Nintendo Switch 2, the 2025 model. This all-in-one bundle promises to enhance your Switch 2 gaming experience with a wide range of accessories. And we're going to see if it really delivers. First up, let's talk about the carrying case. EOVOLA designed this case with a water-resistant leather exterior and a shock-resistant EVA shell. Inside, you'll find a soft, anti-scratch plush lining that protects your console from bumps and scratches. It's durable, easy to clean, and perfect for travel. The case is also dock-friendly, meaning you don't have to remove it to dock your Switch 2. Next, the kit includes a Joy-Con charging dock that can handle up to 4 controllers simultaneously. This is super convenient if you have friends or family joining for multiplayer games, eliminating the need for multiple charging sessions. For gameplay enhancements, the kit offers Joy-Con grips and steering wheels. The grips are ergonomically designed to improve comfort during extended play, while the steering wheels give you a more immersive racing experience. If you enjoy Mario Kart or other motion-based games, these accessories can really add to the fun. To keep your screen protected, the bundle comes with tempered glass screen protectors. These maintain screen sharpness and preserve touch responsiveness, giving you a better gaming experience without worrying about scratches or fingerprints. You'll also get a dockable protective case, a game card case, Joy-Con silicone covers, and thumb caps, covering almost every accessory need for a full family gaming setup. The kit does not include the Switch console itself, Joy-Con controllers, game cartridges, or micro SD cards, so keep that in mind. Overall, this accessories kit is a comprehensive package designed for the Switch 2 gamer who wants everything in one bundle. From travel protection to improved gameplay comfort and charging convenience, it packs a lot of value for one price. Whether you're buying for yourself or as a gift, it covers all the essentials and then some. That's it for today's review. If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one Switch 2 accessory kit, this bundle is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest reviews.